Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning another interesting topic inside Python called converting .py file to executable file. Now you can ask me why we have to convert our py file to the executable file. Executable file means .exe file. Okay. See, what happens actually whenever you implement any kinds of software. So initially you write tons of code for that, right? And if I want to execute that particular software, what I have to do? First of all, I have to create a virtual environment. Then I have to set up all the requirement packages. Okay, then I can use your software. Like I can install it, then I can execute your software in my system. But let's say I want to share my software with any other person and they want to, let's say, use my software. But let's say they are not familiar with Python programming. So it's not possible. Like they will be setting all the projects and all, they will be creating the virtual environment, they will install the Anaconda and all, right? It's not possible. As an user, what you will do, just try to double click on my software and they will use that software. Okay, that is the idea, because you can see all the computer software we're having, we have the executable file, right? So after downloading, after installing it, we'll get that executable file. So we just need to double click on that software and we can use that particular software. That is the idea. So we don't need to install anything. Okay, we don't need to install any kinds of package. We don't need to install any kinds of, let's say, Anaconda, right? And we don't open that particular code. So we don't need to do anything. Only we just double click on that particular executable file and we can use that particular software. That is the idea. Okay. So I'll show you practically this part. I think then this would be clear. So here we'll be learning how we can convert any kinds of Python file to the executable file. Let's say if I want to convert my software, if I want to convert my code to executable file so that other people can use it without installing anything. So they can use this particular executable file to run my application. So let's try to see the practical demo. Then I think this would be more clear. So guys, as you can see, we had created one project actually called Jarvis system. I think you remember. So now let's see, if I want to execute this particular Jarvis system, what I have to do. I think you know, first of all, I have to open up my VS Code here. Okay, I have to open up my VS Code here. Then I have to open up my Anaconda prompt here. Okay, I have to open up my Anaconda prompt here. Then I will just copy the path of this particular folder. Then I will redirect into this particular folder. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to activate the environment. I think you know we have created a virtual environment. So if I show you the environment conda env list. So this is the environment we created, Jarvis system. I'll copy the name of the environment and I'll just activate it. So conda activate Jarvis system. Now see, it is activated. Now I can execute this particular application. But let's say you are opening this particular project for the first time. What you have to do, you have to create the environment, this particular environment. Then inside that you have to set up all the requirements. Okay, then you will be able to use my application. For this you need Anaconda, for this you need Python, right? For this you need, let's say, entire system, right? Entire system, whatever system actually I'm having right now. But it's not actually possible to install everything, okay, for all the user. Now I'll just simply write Python main.py. Now see.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing? I am Jarvis. Tell me, sir, how can I help you?
Hey Jarvis, what is the time?
Sir, the time is 9 hours 55 minutes and 12 seconds.
Okay, please exit.
Goodbye, sir.
See, that's how I can execute this particular application. Now you can see my project format is .py file, because in .py file I'm having all the code. But I don't want to share my project with .py file. I don't want to share my source code with other people. Okay, so for this, what I can do, I can convert this particular .py file to executable file. That means .exe file. So for this, what you can do, see, I have given a guide already. Guide.txt file is there. So just try to open it and all the command I just mentioned here. Okay, what you have to do here. So the first thing, what you have to do, first of all, you have to install one package called PyInstaller. With the help of PyInstaller, we'll be converting this .py file to executable file. So let me show you. So if I copy this particular command and let me execute in my terminal. For me, I already installed that, so it's telling requirement satisfied, but for you, it will install. First of all, just try to execute this command, PyInstaller main.py. So what will happen? It will look for main.py. Okay, it will look for your source code. Okay, source code. And this particular source code would be converted to executable file with the help of PyInstaller. So if I show you, see, if I execute this particular command, see, it is converting. Okay, see, it is converting. So it will take some time. After that, you will see one executable file inside a dist folder. Now see, two folders are created, build and dist. So these two folder would be automatically created, and inside that you will see some of the files, some of the software files. But I don't need all the software files. See, it's completed successfully. Now if I open this particular folder, let's say if I open the build folder, see inside build folder, I'm having main file. Okay, main file. The main file I think you saw here. This is my code main file. Now it has converted to .exe file, that is executable file. Now apart from that, another folder is created called dist. Okay, inside dist also you will see this particular executable file. Now see which main file you will be using. The main file you will be using which is available inside dist folder. So let me open the dist folder. Inside main, I'm having one main exe file. It's a exe file. Let me show you the extension property. So it's an executable file right now. Now see, I haven't opened any kinds of Anaconda. Okay, I haven't let's say activated my Anaconda. Let's say I don't have anything. Okay, I don't have anything in my system. Now if I double click on this software, see it will execute my application. Let me show you.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing? I am Jarvis. Tell me, sir, how can I help you?
Hey Jarvis, what is the time?
Sir, the time is 9 hours 59 minutes and 34 seconds.
What is your name?
My name is Jarvis.
Okay Jarvis, please exit.
Goodbye, sir.
Got it? So see, that's how actually we can convert any kinds of Python file to executable file. And now I can share this particular file with my friends. They can use my application. So I don't need to open my VS Code. I don't need to open my Anaconda, activate the environment, install all the requirements. Then I can use my software. Not like that. I can share this executable file. They will double click it. They will use it. Like the way actually we use any other software. Let's say I want to open Telegram. I'll just click on the Telegram icon. It will open up my Telegram software. Okay. So this is my own software we have created. So congratulations guys. So far you have created your own software. Okay. The project you have implemented. So you have also converted this particular project to an executable file. And that file now anyone can use. Okay. Anyone can use. And going forward, when whatever project actually you'll be creating, try to convert all the project to executable file. Okay, and you can share with your friends and family so that they can also use that particular software. That's the idea. But one issue we'll see, if I want to execute this main.exe, so I need some more, let's say file. Let's say this file actually I need. These are the file actually I need because this is the dependency. Okay, this is the dependency file. Okay, without that actually I can't run this particular file. So this approach is not good. Even I personally don't like it. So if I only want to generate main.exe, only one file, okay, only one file, there won't be any kinds of dependency file. For this, you can use this command, pyinstaller -- one file main.py. Now let me show you. So first of all, let me just delete. These are the folder build, dist, this one. I'll just try to delete. These are the folders. Now I'll copy this command and here I will execute it right now. Now see, again it is creating. So execution is done and it is completed. Now again let me open the folder. Now if I go to the dist, now see only main exe is there. Okay, only main exe is there. Now let's see if I move this particular file somewhere. So I'll just, let's say, copy, and let's say I will keep it. So let's say I will keep it in my desktop. So here I'm going to paste it. So this is my file. Now if I double click.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing? I am Jarvis. Tell me, sir, how can I help you?
Hey Jarvis, what is the time?
Sir, the time is 10 hours 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
Okay, please exit.
Goodbye, sir.
Alright, I think you saw the demo. Now you can use the software in the backend. So just try to execute the software and it will keep on running in your system. Okay, no need to open up your VS Code, Anaconda prompt, anything. Okay, it will keep on running. So yes, this is a very interesting concept inside Python, and it's like very useful. Whenever you will be implementing the software, you have to convert your software in a executable file. That is the idea. So yes, this is all from this video. I hope you liked it. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and I will see you next time.